Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a numbered list in Google Docs. To start, go ahead and highlight the lines of text that you'd like to turn into a numbered list. Next, click on the Format tab at the top of the screen. Then from the drop-down menu, choose Bullets and Numbering. After that, select Numbered List from the submenu. At this point, you'll see several formatting options for numbered lists. Most people go with the first option, which starts numbering at 1. So click on the format you like and the text you selected will now appear as a numbered list. Whenever you press the Enter key, it will automatically continue the list on the next line. But if you want to insert a paragraph or a line without a number, just press Backspace right after pressing Enter. You can also add extra text between numbered items like explanations or headings if needed. And that's how you can quickly and easily create a numbered list in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.